What's up, guys? On our way to the spot. We got the tarp, Nick, and Brady in the front seat. Let's go. See you at the spot. Okay, we made it to the spot. We got our setup on the field. Hear that thunder? Oh yeah, it's coming. Under the setup. This is the setup.
We gotta make sure it stays down though. So somebody's gotta sit right here on this cart.
We'll catch you when the storm hits. It's getting surreal. We are in the tent. It's starting to pick up. The thunder's coming. On the radar, it says we're about to get hit. Oh my god.
Oh, this feels
Oh my god. We're on fire. Oh shit. Oh my god. This isn't good. Our fortress has to hold up. That thunder is going loud. Oh my gosh. There's a dog outside barking. I don't know why. It's your dogs. This is getting surreal. There's water dripping through our room. Get prepared for this moment. Oh! It's pouring out. Oh my god. Oh! It's raining out! Oh my god! This is officially a thunderstorm! Our cover's not holding up. I don't know how long we got, people. Leave it to that part. It's absolutely pouring. I'm so... My goodness. We've officially been in here for 40 minutes. It's been thundering like hell. I don't know how much longer to go. This shelter's breaking. See you in a sec. We have entered the eye. Our shelter is very not sturdy. I don't know how much. Oh my gosh. This is the craziest it's ever been.
It's not good enough.
We are actually bad. We are started like
What's up, guys? This is weathercaster here. Only break, you know, it's getting a little bit too wet. I'm having a little bit of leakage behind me. Got kids right here. Behind the storm. We have a lot of water. We have a lot of puddles everywhere. Not looking good. We're just hoping the wind doesn't get back up, but yeah, we'll see.